Hello children, welcome back to your EVS class. Today let us learn my safety. How should be safe? That means so that you will not get hurt or you will not hurt yourself. That is the safety. We should be safe so that we will not get hurt. Okay, now look at these pictures. In the first picture, a woman, she is cutting the vegetables, or a lady, she is cutting the vegetables. Here the child is seeing how to cut the vegetable. She is not seeing how to cut the vegetable, she is seeing the vegetable. Okay, in the second picture, see, in the second picture we can see she is cutting the vegetable. When the mother turned that side, she started cutting the vegetable. This one, what happened, it hurt her finger and it is bleeding now. So, small children like you should not touch the sharp objects. Now, see here, in this, what the mother is doing, she is doing first aid. First aid means the first help before going to doctor is called as first aid. So, what she is doing, she is putting the bandage for the child. So, this is in this picture. Why did the girl finger wounded? Because she don't know how to use the knife. So only she got wounded. Okay. Now in this, these are the common pictures of some things which are used commonly in our houses. Write their names. Have you tried to use these things? Yes. If you do, please don't try, because this will hurt you. Only with the guidance of your parents you are supposed to touch these things. Now, the first one. This is knife. Okay, children? And this one is hammer. This is coconut grater. This is scissors. Okay, this one is blade. This one is grinding stone grinder. Okay, this is iron box. And this one is gas stove. These are all without the guidance of the elders. You should not touch this because it will hurt you. Okay, now in this let us see which is correct. This picture, let us see in this which is correct. Okay, children. Now in the first picture, that can you see that they are getting hurt by themselves? See, in the first picture, the child here, without knowing, he is keeping his hand in the hot water. In this, she is cutting something and she has cut even her finger also. Here, he is not wearing his slipper, so it has the thorn has poked his hand. Here, the child has slipped. The child has slipped on and falling on the floor. Here, the child is keeping his finger in the electric socket. See here, he is sitting on the compound wall. In this, the child is using, she is cutting something and she has got hurt. In this, the boy is, see here, in the last picture, the boy is, what he is doing? He is using the tools, hammer, or he is trying to nail the nails. So that is to the wooden plank. So this all will, what it will do is it will hurt danger. So you should protect yourself from this danger. Now let us see the next page. Here also the child is burning. There is burning the cracker. In this, the child is burning the cracker. He is burning the cracker. Here, see, the child is keeping the throwing the stone on the girl. So, we should not use a knife, a pair of scissors, and a saw without the help of others. If we follow the advice of the elders, we will never be in danger. Let us learn to use these things carefully with the help of the elders. Now I am going to read this, children. Do not throw piece of blade, glass pieces in the playground or in your classroom because it will hurt the others. Take the guidance of the teachers in the school when you are using knife or a switch. You should not use switch also because you should take the guidance of the teachers to use the switch. Third point is make sure that there are no sharp things like pieces of glass and waste things on the playground while you play. See that there are pieces of glass. If it enters into your this one into your feet, it will be very difficult. So all this you should control. There will be students who are younger to you. Be cautious and see that they are not in danger. Younger to you also, that is Montessori children, LKG children also, first standard children will be there. They will be still younger to you and you are supposed to be cautious. Cautious means you should be careful. You may come across some danger even when you are out of your house. Learn to be careful. Now, what all we can do when we are outside means where we will be? We will be in the school also. While going in the line, you should go in a queue. You should not run either and either. Here and there, you are not supposed to run. And when you are running, you see that somebody is coming or not. Suddenly you run and you may get hurt. You should not pour water on the floor. Even in the house also. See that you should not won't put water or oil on the floor because it will either hurt you or it may hurt others also. And you should not touch the hot things without your cooker, whether it is cooker, whether it is hot vessel, do not touch. Only see that your parents will be in the under your you will be under your parents guidance. Now let us see this. Now look at the given pictures, put tick mark for the correct actions and put wrong mark for the incorrect actions. Now first one is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because this one is wrong. She is cutting her finger. Even this one also is wrong. See, while using the hammer, he has got hurt. This is also wrong because he is walking in the middle of the road. This one is correct because he is walking on the footpath. Footpath walking even in the way road also you see that you will walk properly, cross the roads properly, look either side and then cross the road. When there is stop signal you are not supposed to cross the road. Now here in this is also right because she is using a long thing to burn the cracker, whereas this is wrong. She is holding the cracker in her hand only and burning. That is wrong. This child is walking on the footpath. This is correct. She is walking to the side of the footpath. Did you understand, children? Thank you.